Hey guys, I'm FNAF Time. Hey guys, I am FNAF Time. I'm going to introduce the whole crew to you today. That's right, the whole crew of the FNAF Time series and the YouTube videos. We are all going to be in it every single day. Well, some of us will not be in it, some of us will be in it, but tell you, as a matter of fact, you guys are our purpose is please subscribe, like, comment. Most importantly, hit the bell so you never miss a video ever. So I'm going to introduce my first one. First one is FNAF Wish. It's none other than Samurai Cat. Hey guys, Samurai Cat. Hey guys, Samurai Cat. He is a very important part of the FNAF Time. Also, the second one of them is FNAF Spider. Is FNAF Man. And woo, FNAF Man here. Yeah, even though he is Spider-Man, we call him FNAF Man because he's a FNAFer like us. Because Samurai Cat, he is also a FNAFer. That, we got FNAF, the two FNAF bears. Woo! So, this white one over here, his name is Ice Bear, and this one is Ice Bear. This one is World Peace Bear. Yo, what up? Hey guys. Also, that's importantly, the African American. Give your fucking hands together. Clap. Wow. I'm on the camera. Shut. Don't hit anything. Shut up, do the best I can. Why you see your face right before? I take it over. Yeah, I do the best I can. Okay. You okay? Can you do that? Yeah. Also, give it up for FNAF Diego. Okay. Hi guys, FNAF Diego here. Hey guys, Dorothy here. It's Dave. I'm gonna tell you a little bit more stuff. Oh god, no! That is very inappropriate spot. Stop it. Okay. Okay, guys, so let's say Daphne. Oh yeah, we have a lot of favorite YouTube. Oh yeah, you also.
Going to the next aisle. Still soup. Where are you right now? That soup. What do you mean you're at soup? I mean I'm at soup. What store are you in? I'm at the soup store. Why are you buying the soup store? What the fuck?
Oh yeah, that's everything you know about us. You see most of us here, or all of us here, but we are the little animal club. You probably can't even see World Peace Bear. World Peace! The fuck in the camera, I expect you too. So yeah, hope you see you in the next video. Like, subscribe, hit the bell so you never miss one of the videos. Also comment on this video. What do you think about all of us? Got FNAF Samurai Cat, FNAF Man, FNAF Diego, the two FNAF the two brothers of FNAF, and yeah. And you know us. Oh yeah, you see the FNAF cupcake probably in Little Animal versus Big Animal, but we kicked him out of the club. So yeah, we are the Little Animal Club. Yeah. Sniff my butt. No, I'm not a dog. Okay. So yeah, I hope you guys see you guys in the next video. Peace out, guys. Alright, bye.